Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and today I'm going to show you guys a breathtaking walking tour around Lopes Mendes Beach in Brazil. I think this place is a paradise for nature lovers like me. I will show you the wildlife, beautiful beach with crystal clear waters, impressive landscape which you are about to see. So, don't forget to click the like button and write a comment if you enjoyed this video. Now let's start our journey. As we get closer to the beach, the first thing that captures your attention is a mountain that, at some level, looks like a fortress. It's amazing, isn't it? As we get closer to the beach, the beautiful white sand dazzles you. It's soft under your feet, almost like walking in soft cotton. And the crystal clear water goes on forever, giving us a continuous feeling of breathtaking beauty. Everywhere around you, wildlife and nature in perfect harmony. From tiny crabs to colorful fish that inhabit the sea, this beach is definitely a paradise. While enjoying the beauty of our surroundings, I can't help but realize how privileged we are to have this piece of nature, untouched by mankind. We can just soak in the beauty of the world's creations in solitude. As this amazing day in paradise comes to an end, I really hope you enjoyed this walk around Lopes Mendes Beach today. I would highly recommend visiting here, and this was just a small taste of its wonders. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to explore the world with me and many other untold places and amazing adventures. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy your life and give it a big smile.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.